Open up your...
That's the button you push to open up the garage.
FYI.
See? See? Look at the technology of man. We're dumb.
Cavemen can do it.
So you see a caveman. Yeah. Sorry, Geico. Now we're gonna get sued.
Let's lube it up one more time. You guys want to come get lubed?
Yeah, you can watch
Not
a
taco
snowboard get
dick.
lubed. This is how you get speed. It looks like shit though. Lubricant. See? It goes all over your gloves too. It's bad.
I tasted it.
Yeah. Zach likes his lube. Yep.
Run!
Ah! Ow! Want to take a giant penis?
I'm gonna go down
There's the house.
this side.
And this is our hill. So, alright, I'm gonna go back down. Wrong side. There's a little jump. There's a dog. See the doggy? Not ours. Ah! Go. Shoe came off. There's a jump. That's our hill.
You gonna try it? This thing is bigger than your shed at home, I bet. If you have a shed.
Look at the life size. It's over my head. It's sketchy. We should just get a ladder.
Hey, dude, go like this and try holding the sun. Here, wait, I got. Never mind. Okay, it's too much work. Go whichever way you want.
Am I going towards you?
I don't care. Go wherever you want.
This is gonna be fun. I don't like doing it.
It's actually kind of fun. You just fall at the end.
I don't want to fall.
I don't care.
I don't want to.
Oh man, she wrecked the hill. Notice how I cared about the hill.
No, that's good.
Could have my dead in it.
No, it's the same depth over there.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it. One more time.
There's snow down my butt.
Yeah, I'm gonna try holding the sun. Watch this.
Dude, the sun's a lot bigger than you.
Shut up. Hold that. I got it?
Nope.
Okay.
You're way off.
This one. Right into a big, right towards the penis. Whoa.
Hey, you made it.
I did it. I did it.
Congrats.
And that's it.
That's the show.